Alright guys, this is JOATD back with a quick video. I'm sitting in a 2008 Honda Pilot. We got it this morning. The Pilot battery was dead, and basically we want to run a scan on it to check to see what's going on. Now, you want to do this on a fully charged battery. We're going to take this OBD2 connector and we're going to plug it into the car, turn the car into on position. Now, what we're going to do is select battery, hit OK. Now right now it's showing the current voltage at 12.4. The vehicle is in an on position, but go ahead and turn it off. What you want to do is hit OK. Now you want to go ahead and start the vehicle, and then go ahead and turn the vehicle off. Alright, so now you get at the top, you get the current voltage, which is 12.3. You get the voltage when the vehicle was off, that is 12.4. Then when you started the vehicle, down at the bottom, the voltage dropped down to 8.9. Now while the car was running, the alternator was charging the battery at a max 14.0 volts. Now the voltage dropped to 8.95, but it didn't drop below 8. Anything that drops below 8 is a bad battery. You may want to change it out. Now with our test, it shows that the battery did not drop below 8 volts. It's right at 9, so this is a good battery. This was a quick video. This is JOATD. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out.